Everything is very smooth from here, and I would recommend it to all of my friends for trying ITCS for the educational purposes also.
Okay, thank you. Few comments about ITCS.
Speaking in short and sweet, I'll say 10 on 10. It's very hard to better the best. You have done everything.
Hello, very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very pleasant moment for us. Today we are traveling one of the prestigious University of Russian Federation, Penza State Medical University, Russia. And in the journey of making doctors from India, today we have Sudeshna. They are basically from West Bengal but residing at Bangalore since long years. And together today we are traveling along with her parents to Penza. In this short interview, just try to understand how they liked our services, on what basis they shortlisted the university, and how they are satisfied with our services and all. Hello, very good morning, Sudeshna. Very good morning, madam. Very good morning, sir. Sudeshna, first of all, what was your dream? Like, on what basis you decided that yes, after finishing the 12th, I really want to become a doctor?
I think after looking at the doctors who usually cure the patients, especially the doctor which I consult to, looking at them curing patients one after another, that really inspired me to become a doctor.
Okay, so basically after the 12th, you have many of the students are thinking, okay, let me try one more attempt, 2 attempts for in the NEET process and all. Then after 4th, 5th year, they are deciding it's not happening then. But you took decision in the first year itself. So I can understand you are very curious to go for this particular field, or you found anything challenges in the India's NEET environment?
There was nothing challenging here. I just wanted to go on the first try because I think after coming back, I will do more I have more to study.
Yes, and you will get a better time for the PG preparation and all. That is an excellent decision. Okay. So like Sudeshna, I think we met first time today.
Yes.
Correct? Before that, I met with your parents only.
Yes, sir.
So you faced any kind of trouble in any kind of part of this, anywhere? How was your exam? Things has done? Any documentation part? How you will recommend to your friends about ITCS?
Everything is very smooth from here, and I would recommend it to all of my friends for trying ITCS for the educational purposes also.
Okay, thank you. So any kind of concerns which you would like to discuss with me, where I can work out more for the future also?
There are no concerns, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Hello, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning.
I just would like to know, sir, few comments about ITCS.
Speaking in short and sweet, I'll say 10 on 10. It's very hard to better the best. You have done everything that a concerned parent would have asked for. Who have sending the child for the first time out of their sight. Forget about out of India. Because all these kids, they have grown right in front of us. Everybody. Now, so that faith that you have given, the trust factor that you have built over the years. Only thing I have to be concerned about was my packing. That's it. So that is your service. As I said, it's 10 on 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I'm very happy that you have decided to travel with us.
Yeah.
So definitely whatever I have promised in terms of child's facilities and all, I have a chance to show you everything over there.
Okay. And it's not about your showing. It's about just to see where she's going, she's going to come out as a doctor, because they are kids, right? They're going to be future doctors. So how they are going to become, from where they are going to become out. It's something we all, as a parent, I believe we should know. And as I said, you were superb. All your members were superb. I mean, we are just reachable, just a call away, day in and day out. So yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Today also you are traveling with us. So what's your feeling? Like you have to leave Sudeshna there and then return back. Okay, I know it's a tough journey for a mother always.
It's a difficult part for me. Being a single child, she's a single child, and it's a difficult part for me. But what I have felt is, when we have to send her out, we have to be hard by our heart.
Okay, so like first time you only called me, that was
Yeah.
Saturday, and I was not in a office. Later again we rescheduled our meeting, and
Yeah.
then we met. How was your from that day to today journey, madam?
No, from that day till today, from the beginning till now, whatever I have got the thing, I felt it is good because whatever messages, whatever doubts, whatever things that were there, it were all clarified by then and there itself. Whenever we used to send message at the last moment, also we have received a message. Whatever messages, whatever whenever we called out, also we got the calls back, return backs, and all that. So it was a good thing that we had.
Okay, thank you,
Overall,
madam.
it was very good. Thank you for this. Once we'll reach there, we'll see everything and then we'll get back.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, madam. And it's a small gift hamper from ITCS to all the students and all. Okay, and you complete your medical journey successfully. And in this package, you have your original documents, your passports, your apron, states. Do it proper packing. Okay, and we'll travel together in the next 30 minutes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You will stay connected with us for the more success stories for making doctors from India. Thank you.